where do you want to be in 10 years? Where do you want to be in 10 years? That's the conversation you need to be having with yourself right now as you think intensely about how to make 2020 your year of greatness. Is not just a single year. It's a year that is a part of a new decade. And I think having a long-term view about what you want your life to look like, what are the things that you want to be doing, where do you want to live, what does your career look like, what is your position, where are you at in your financial health, with your business, with your personal health, your family relationships. Like, what do you want your life to look like in 10 years? This is the question that will help you actually gain greater focus and clarity on what you should be doing on a daily basis in 2020. Having that long-term view is what the great leaders have. They think out further. They're able to see out further into the future. I recently heard Jeff Bezos say this: don't congratulate me on the results that you're seeing for Amazon today. Okay? The things that I'm working on are 3 years out. You're not going to see those ideas being revealed. You're not going to see those successes being revealed for another 3 years or so, because I'm working on things out into the future. What you're seeing happening right now, today, or have been baked in 3 years ago. Okay? And so, like, think about that. Like, you have to have that longer term view of success. In order to achieve that next level of greatness, you need to be working on things that are further out into the future. That's why I'm speaking to you right now about, think about where you want your life to be 10 years from now, the next decade. What does it look like for you, and how can you work your way into that success starting in 2020? 2020 will be a great year for you. 2020 is the beginning of your greatest decade, your decade of greatness. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed the other ones. Feel free to go back and watch them. Share them with a friend that you care about, a coworker, a family member, a business partner, or your team, your work teams, your morning huddles. Feel free to share these videos. I'm just here to help. And remember, you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great. Peace.